Good morning, my dear students. Today also we are going to discuss about periodicity and extreme values. The first one, student, find the period of 5 cos of 3x, 3 tan 3x. So here this function have the two functions. The first function as cos function and second one is the student's tan function. We have to know that first we find the period of cos of ax plus b. We know that students the period of cos of ax plus b is the students 2 pi by modulus of a. What is the students? 2 pi by modulus of a. That is 2 pi by 3. Is it clear, students? Now the period of, what is the students, the next one? The period of tan of ax plus b. The period of tan of ax plus b is, that is the students, pi by modulus of a. That is pi by 3. Okay, students. Now the LCM of 2 pi by 3. Already we discussed about the any two trigonometric functions. The algebraic sign is there. Undoubtedly, students, this is f of x, this is f1 of x, this is f2 of x. Undoubtedly, we have to take the period is LCM of these periods. So, my dear students, the L required period is, what is the students? We can written as required. A required period is LCM of the periods. What is the students? LCM of 2 pi by 3 comma pi by 3. So the LCM of 120 60. That is the students 120. Now this is 2 pi by 3. After that, student, is there the second one? The period of, everybody know that the period of sin of ax plus b. Dear students, the period of sin of ax plus b is the 2 pi by modulus of a. That is the students, we can written as 2 pi by modulus of a is the 1 by 2. Now this is the 4 pi. Now another one is the students, the period of cos of ax plus b is the students 2 pi by modulus of a. This is also 2 pi by 1 by 2. We know that the period of cos of ax plus b and sin of ax plus b are 2 pi by modulus of a. So this is the students, this is also 4 pi. The required period is LCM of 4 pi comma 4 pi. This is the students 4 pi. Now students, the question number 3. We have to know that what is the, suppose is there, is not there 2, undoubtedly its period is 90. So suppose if you are confused, students, then we are taking first f of x. The f of x is the students 2 into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. This can be written as the students f of pi plus x. How to write this is f of pi plus x. This can be written as 2 into sin of pi plus x whole power 4. After that, student, this can be written as cos power 4 pi plus x. Sin 180 plus theta third quadrant. Sin of 180 plus theta third quadrant minus of sin theta minus power 4 is the plus. So student, this is 2 into sin power 4x. This is the students cos power 4x. This can be written as f of x. F of, we can replace by x is pi plus x. Sin of pi plus x be the sin x. Cos of pi plus x is the cos x. Both are minus, minus power 4 is the plus. We got here x. Already I explained the definition of the periodicity and periodic function and period. That means students, f of p plus x equal to f of x, the least positive real number p is called the period. So here the period is the pi. This is by definition. Therefore students, period equal to pi. Okay. Dear students, find the sine function with period 3. Dear students, we know that the sine function means either that is sine of ax or sine of ax plus b. The function either sine of ax or sine of ax plus b. Now students, we know that the period of sine of ax or sine of ax plus b is the students 2 pi by modulus of a. So students, the period of sine function is the students 2 pi by modulus of a is given that 3. 2 pi by modulus of a is the 3. After then students, the modulus of a equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay students, 2 pi by mod a is the 3. Therefore mod a equal to 2 pi by 3. After then students, a equal to plus or minus 2 pi by 3. A equal to plus or minus 2 pi by 3. Now we find sine of ax or sine of ax plus b. Now students, the sine function that is the students sine of ax or sine of ax plus b, that is the students sine of plus or minus 2 pi by 3x or students sine of plus or minus 2 pi by 3x plus b. This is the students, we can written as plus or minus sine of 2 pi by 3x, or we can taken as plus or minus sine of 2 pi by 3x plus b. Are you understand students? Either it is a plus b or minus b, no problem. So dear students, this is plus or minus sine of 2 pi by 3x. Okay students, thus this is the period sine of ax, sine of plus or minus 2 pi by 3x. Okay students, we can write this is also plus or minus b, no problem at all. So we are always thinking about the coefficient of x only. So when you know that coefficient of x, then the period is 2 pi by mod a. Okay students, this is the sine function plus or minus 2 pi by 3x or plus or minus 2 pi by 3x plus b, where b belongs to r. Okay students, find the period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus tan square of x. So students, tan of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus and so on n square into x. This is the students 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on n square into x. So student, this is the tan of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x. Now students, we know that the period of tan of ax, what is the student, the period of tan of ax is, period of tan of ax is the pi by modulus of a. This is the students pi by modulus of a. The modulus of a is the students n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the students 6 into pi, 6 pi, that is 6 pi n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. 6 into pi, 6 pi, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So we know that period of tan of ax pi by modulus of a pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, that is 6 into by 6 pi n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay students. Dear students, if the function f of x equal to sin nx upon sin of x by n as the period 4 pi, then so that n is the 2. What is the students? Then so that n is the 2 where n is the integer. So student, first we find the period of the numerator, the period of the student sin of nx, that is the 2 pi by modulus of a is the formula students, 2 pi by mod n, 2 pi by modulus of n. After then students, the period of sin of x by n, the period of sin of x by n is the students 2 pi by 1 by n. This is the 2n pi. This is the students 2n pi. Now what is the students LCM of 2 pi by n comma 2n pi is the students 2n pi. LCM of 2 pi by n comma 2n pi is the students 2n pi. So students, now this is the 2n pi is equal to 4 pi. Given that the period of f of x is, what is the students, is given that the period of f of x is the students 4 pi. Now this is 2n pi equal to 4 pi. 2n equal to 4. The value of n is the students 2. What is the value of n is 2. Okay students. Now students, find the period of 2 sin x plus 3 cos of x by 2 upon 4 tan 2x minus of 7 sin 3x. Now students, is there 4 functions, that is sin x, cos x by 2, tan 2x and sin 3x. f1x plus f2x upon f3x plus f4x. 4 functions are there. Now students, first of all we have to find the period of sin x. First all of you find the period of sin x. Everybody know that period of sin x is the 2 pi. After then student, period of cos of x by 2, that is 2 pi by modulus of a, that is 2 pi by mod a. Now students, what is the form? 2 pi by modulus of a. 2 pi by modulus of a is the 1 by 2, that is the students 4 pi. Now students, the period of tan of 2x. Tan of 2x is the students pi by modulus of a, that is the students pi by 2. Period of sin of 3x, pi by 3. What is the students? Sorry students, this is the formula 2 pi by modulus of a, that is a 2 pi by 3. Now students, LCM of the periods. LCM of the periods is, first one is the LCM of 2 pi. LCM of the periods 4 pi, pi by 2 and 2 pi by 3. This is the students LCM of 2 pi and 4 pi, 4 pi. The LCM 4 pi by 90, 4 pi. After then students, 4 pi is the students 180. What is the students? 180 into 4, that is 720 and 120. 720, 120 LCM is also 4 pi. So students, LCM is the 4 pi. So that is the required period of f of x. This function we are taking f of x, therefore period of f of x equal to 4 pi. Period of f of x is the students 4 pi. Okay students. My dear students, the extreme values of the function a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So are c plus root of a square plus b square, c minus of root of a square plus b square. Extreme values means minimum value and maximum value. The minimum and maximum values are called the extreme values. So the minimum value of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is the c minus of root of a square plus b square. The maximum value is c plus root of a square plus b square. And one more thing is students, the minima and maximum value of cos theta minus 1 plus 1. And also the minimum value of sin theta is minus 1, maximum value of sin theta is 1. Okay students, right now we are taking let f of x equal to a cos of x b sin x plus c. Let f of x is the students a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So dear students, a we are taking, what is the students we are taking? Let a equal to r cos theta, a equal to students r cos theta, b equal to students r sin theta. A square plus b square is, what is the students? A square plus b square is r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now students, a square plus b square equal to r square. R equal to students under root of a square plus b square. Let a is the r cos theta, b is the r sin theta. A square plus b square is r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta, where r equal to root of a square plus b square. Now students, the f of x can be written as r cos theta or cos x. This is r sin theta sin x plus c. Now students, r is the common. Cos theta cos x plus sin theta into sin x plus c. Now students, r into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is the students cos of a minus b plus c. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is the cos of a minus b plus c. Now students, the cos theta is lies between minus 1 plus or minus cos of theta minus x plus or minus 1. Cos theta is lies between minus 1 to 1. Okay students, cos theta minus x is lies between minus 1 to 1. Now students, this is minus r plus or minus r into cos of theta minus x less than r. Okay students, now we are taking plus c, adding c, therefore that is c minus r less than or equal to c plus r into cos of theta minus x. This is c plus r. What we take first students? We are taking small a r cos theta, small b r sin theta. R is the common. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b cos of a minus b. Everybody know that the cos theta is lies between minus 1 to 1. After then we have to multiple with each term r. After then adding plus c with the each term. Okay students, now this is c minus r is the students a square plus b square less than or equal to. Now students, this is c plus r into cos of theta minus x be the f of x. After then c plus R is the students root of a square plus b square. So what is the students? R is root of a square plus b square. Here also R is the root of a square plus b square. Now students, the f of x is c plus root of a square plus b square, c minus root of a square plus b square. Okay students, this is the minimum and maximum value of f of x. The minimum value, what is the students? Extreme value means minimum and maximum values. The minimum value is the student c minus of root of a square plus b square. The maximum value, dear students, the maximum value is the c plus root of a square plus b square. Write down students, these are the minimum and maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Okay. Now students, the extreme values of, what is the students? The extreme values of a into cos of alpha x plus beta, b into sin of alpha x plus beta plus c. What is the students? What we know that here these are equal. This is a cos x plus b sin x. When the angles are equal, undoubtedly we can written as the extreme values of a cos of alpha x plus beta plus b into sin of alpha x plus beta plus c is the students. We can simply written as c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. The extreme values of a cos of alpha x plus beta plus b sin of alpha x plus beta plus c is the students c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay students, these are the minimum and maximum values. My dear students, these are the extreme values of a cos of alpha x plus beta plus b sin of alpha x plus beta plus c. Is the student c minus of root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay students. Now students, find the minimum and maximum value of 13 cos x 3 root 3 sin x minus 4. So this is compared with a cos x plus b sin x plus c. A is the 13, b is 3 root 3, c is the minus 4. Now students, the minimum value equal to c minus of root of a square plus b square. Minus 4 minus of a square plus b square is the students 169 plus 9 3s are 27. What is the students? 9 3s are 27. Now this is the students, the minimum and the maximum values are, how to write the student? This is minus 4 minus, this is 196, minus 4 minus 14, this is minus 18. Now students, the maximum value, the maximum value is the student c plus root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square plus b square. C is the students minus 4 plus root 14. This is the 10. How to write the students? C is the minus 4. This is the plus root 14. 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is the students 10. Are you understand students? This is the maximum value. This is the minimum value. Okay students. Now students, the first question is there. Cos x 3 root 2 sin of x plus 5 by 4 plus 6. This is x plus 5 by 4. This is x. So this is not we have to compare with a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Now students, this is cos of x 3 into root 2 sin x sin 45 1 by root 2. After then cos x cos 45 is the 1 by root 2 plus 6. Now this is the students. How can you write student? This is cos x root 2 cancel. This is 3 sin x. After that student, this is also root 2 cancel. This is 3 cos x plus c. After then students, how to write? This is 3 plus 1 4 cos x 3 sin x plus 6. A is the 4, B is the 3, C is the 6. Now students, the minimum value C minus root of a square plus b square. C minus, this is 6 minus of root of a square plus b square, 16 plus 9. So students, this is 6 minus 5 is the 1. After then students, maximum value c plus root of a square plus b square, 6 plus 5. This is the students 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is the 11. Okay students, now this is 6 minus 5 is the 1. The maximum value is the 6 plus 5, that is 11. How to find the students? First you can written as cos x. Sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So after that root 2 cancel, 3 sin x 3 cos x. This is the students 3 cos x plus cos x 4 cos x. A 4, B 3, C 6. Now student, minimum formula c minus root of a square plus b square. Maximum is the form c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay students, this is the first question students. Now the second one. Second one is there. Cos of x plus pi by 3. What is the student is there? Cos of x plus pi by 3. So the second question is there students. The cos of x plus pi by 3, 2 into root of sin of x plus pi by 3 minus 3. So students, this is a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 2, c is the, this is you have to take theta, a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. This is the students a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. A is the 1, b is the 2 root 2, c value is the minus 3. Now students, we can written as the minimum value. The minimum value is the students c. C is the minus 3 root of a square plus b square, that is 1 plus 8. Now this is the students minus 3 minus 6. After that students, the maximum value is c plus, that is minus 3 plus root of a square plus b square, 1 plus 8. This is the students minus 3 plus 3. It will be 0. Minus 3 plus 3. What is the students? Undoubtedly it will be 0. Okay students. After that, what is there? The third question is there students. The 4 of sine square of x, 5 cos square of x plus 6. Now students, it will be, we can written as, how to write the student? This is 4 into sine square of x cos square of x plus cos square of x plus c. What is the students? 4 into sine square x, 4 sine square x, 4 into cos square x, 4 cos square x, 4 cos square x plus cos square x, 5 cos square of x. Now this is the students 4 plus cos square of x plus 6. This is the students 10 plus cos square of x. 4 plus 6 is the 10. 10 plus cos square of x. Now students, we have to know that the minimum and the maximum value of cos square x. Everybody know that the minimum value is the students cos x minus 1. Maximum value is the 1. So is there cos square x. Therefore 0 less than or equal to cos square of x less than or equal to 1. So the cos square and sin square are lies between only the 0 to 1. My dear students, is there plus 10? Adding plus 10, that is 10 plus cos square of x. This is 10 plus 1 is the 11. Minimum value is the 10. What is the students? Minimum value 10 and maximum value is the 11. So the minimum is the 10, maximum is the 11. Are you understand students? The minimum and maximum values of 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x plus 6 is 10 and 11. Okay students? One minute students. Suppose is there some 5 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. So my dear students, how to write this is, suppose we are taking plus 2 is there. How to find the minimum and maximum values? Dear students, this can be written as the minimum value 5 by c plus root of a square plus b square. So just you can interchange the formula students. When the function is there in the denominator, we can written as 5 plus the maximum is become a minimum. So dear students, this is 5 by c plus root of a square plus b square, that is a 9 plus 16. This is the students 2 plus 5. This is 5 by 7. What is the students? 5 by 7 is the minimum value. Now the students, the maximum value 5 by c minus root of a square plus b square. How to write the students here? What we observed the students? My dear students, here the 5c plus c is the students 12 is there. So the 12 plus this is the 17 is the minimum value. So suppose the students, the maximum value is the form c minus root of a square plus b square. How to write the student? This is c minus 12 minus root of a square plus b square, 9 plus 16. This is the students 12 minus 5. This is a 5 by 7. So we have to know that the 5 by 17 is the minimum, 5 by 7 is the maximum. So this is the formula students. The minimum is c plus root of a square plus b square. Maximum is the student c minus root of a square plus b square. When the function is in the denominator, undoubtedly we take the form c plus root of a square plus b square. This is c minus root of a square plus b square. Okay students? Find the maximum value of 3 by 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 19. So students, just now I discussed, when it is a maximum, the function is in the denominator, undoubtedly the maximum formula, the maximum value equal to students c minus of root of a square plus b square. C minus root of a square plus b square. So student, this is 3 by 19 minus root of a square plus b square, 25. 12 square is the 144. 3 by 19 minus 12. 3 by 6. This is 1 by 2. 19 minus, sorry student, this is 169. 169 is the 13. 19 minus 13, 6. Therefore, that is the students 1 by 2. Okay students, this is today's students. All of you practice these models. All of you please write the notes regularly. Okay students, thank you all.